If you're pregnant, I have a question for you. How do you want to remember your birth? How do you want to tell that story? For how your baby comes into this world is dependent upon how you prepare. How do I know that? My name's Tristan, and I'm the creator of Freedom-Based Birth. I've helped hundreds of women discover their own path to a positive birth experience. Right now, I want to take you into the future. I want to take you to a very specific date. I want to take you to your child's first birthday. There'll be balloons, there'll be presents, your friends and family will all be there. You'll have one of those little cakes that your baby will get all over his or her face, and everybody will be laughing. There'll be so much joy. But how are you feeling? For it's inevitable that as a mother, every feeling, every emotion that you had in that birth room will come flooding back to you every year on your child's birthday. So how do you want to feel? Childbirth is one of the most important events that you'll go through in your life. And if you get to that birthday and the events spiral out of control and you end up with a birth experience that you didn't want and you don't know how you arrived there, that's going to leave you full of regret, full of disappointment, full of unanswered questions. But if you maintain control of your birth, if you stay empowered and you make decisions and you have a birth partner who's confident and supportive, then you will have a birth outcome that's a positive experience. Even if it doesn't go exactly as planned, the important thing is you stayed in control and you are certain that the birth outcome that you had was exactly the way it was meant to be. Freedom-Based Birth is a different kind of childbirth education series. I could lead this course and go over the stages of labor and the timing of contractions in the typical manner, and you'll have to memorize that information and try and access it during the birth. But that's not ultimately what helps women have an empowered birth. Or I could go the other direction, and I could tell you that all you need to do is trust in the system, and intuitively things will happen, or all you need to do is learn to meditate or learn to breathe. But that's not really true or practical. Instead, I want to show you how to have a positive birth outcome. I want to show you a framework that will always be at your side, that you don't have to memorize, a framework that is already something that you live by every day, a roadmap that you use every day of your life. You're just not aware of it yet. And that same roadmap that you access every day can be used to help set the course of your labor and birth, to help you know where you are in the process, to help you have confidence that you know where you are and you know where you're going. Freedom-Based Birth is about a journey and a discovery of who we are as humans, as individuals. It's an exploration of where we've come from and where we are right now, because we need to know where we've come from in order to make the right choices to get us where we need to go. Freedom-Based Birth is for anyone who's ever asked, why does childbirth happen the way it does? What happens during labor? Why is childbirth painful? What happens when a woman who's pregnant becomes a mother with a child? I'm excited for you to become part of this journey, to become part of this discovery. And I want to ask you 2 more questions. 1, how do you want to feel on your child's first birthday? And 2, are you ready to start your own journey? I want to invite you to take the first course in Freedom-Based Childbirth absolutely free. I want you to be happy with your childbirth education series. So the first class is free for you to get a taste of what we will cover and how this course is laid out for you. So visit the website on the screen to sign up for the first class of Freedom-Based Birth Childbirth Series, absolutely free. There is no obligation once you sign up for the first class. It is yours free to enjoy for as long as you need it. And if you feel like this childbirth class series is going to be right for you, you'll have the opportunity to sign up for the full class series. I look forward to seeing you there.